Know this before you start a blog in Nigeria. Let's just cut to the chase. It's either you've seen more than enough articles on how to make money from blogging with big figures. A good example can be how to make over $10,000 blogging, or how to make $1,000 in your first week of blogging, etc. The point here is that they all sound wonderful. Seriously, who wouldn't want to make $1,000 in the first week of blogging? But if it's true, why isn't everybody blogging already? Blogging can fetch you serious money. In fact, if you haven't started blogging, I'll recommend you start now. But what most people don't know is that blogging is a business and not a get-rich-quick scheme. For you to be successful in any business, you must first grow your reputation and brand. Because if the reputation is not there, nobody is going to patronize you. The same thing applies to blogging. If you want to make money from blogging and be a successful blogger in Nigeria, you need to forget about making money for the first 6 to 8 months of blogging. It's just the truth. And if at all you're going to make money, it's going to be peanuts. Blogging is a process. You just don't start immediately and start making money immediately. Think of it as an offline business. Do you start making money immediately you started a business? Or until people start noticing you? You start making money when people actually know you are providing values and they see the reason to patronize you. The same thing goes to blogging. You need to create values, and until you start creating values, nobody is going to come back to your blog. This is why most bloggers don't make significant money in the first 6 months of blogging. Because as a newbie, no one knows you. And with zero online reputation, you simply can't build trust. Without trust, it's going to be very hard to make money online. This is because the trust you build online is in direct proportional to the amount of money you make. The more people you help, the more money you make. It's as simple as that. Here are common reasons why bloggers don't make money and quit early. 1. They think blog is an easy way to make money. 2. They don't see it as a business. 3. Never invested in it. 4. See themselves as a blogger and not a marketer. 5. Focus on making money and not creating values. My friend, if you want to make money by blogging, you have to work hard. There's no shortcut here, it's just the bitter truth. But the good thing is you don't need to work as much as depriving yourself sleep, as long as you go about it the right way. Fortunately, this is why I'm making this video. Things you should focus on in the first 6 months of blogging. 1. Focus on building a relationship with your audience. 2. Engage them. 3. Use your blog as a platform to solve problems. 4. Make your blog popular by creating a brand and reputation. 5. Forget about making money in the first 6 months. 6. Create values. Once you've focused on the right thing, which is gaining trust and building your reputation online, trust me, the traffic will come naturally. Then after this, can you start making money from your blog? Few examples of popular bloggers in Nigeria and how much they are making on a monthly basis. 1. Linda Ikeji, the popular queen bee of Nigeria, from www.lindaikiji.blogspot.com, makes around $15,000 to $20,000 on monthly basis. 2. Ucheyes Pedro from www.baleniaja.com make around $10,000 to $15,000 monthly. How to make money from your blog in Nigeria? You can make money blogging by monetizing it in the following ways. 1. Google AdSense. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Freelance writing. 4. Sponsored post. 5. Product reviews. 1. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is one of the most popular ways blogger monetizes their blog. This is done by displaying Google ads on your site. The amount of money that can be made through Google AdSense is proportional to the amount of traffic your blog is generating. This is done in 2 ways. 1. Impression. The money earned on impression depends on the page views. For instance, for every 1,000 or more page views you get on your blog is going to earn you a certain amount of dollar. 2. Clicks. You earn a certain amount of money if a visitor clicks on the ad from your site. 2. This can range from anywhere around 5 cents to a few dollars depending on the ad. Like I said, how much you can make from AdSense depends on the traffic your site is generating. However, it's possible to earn from $100 to $10,000 through Google AdSense on a monthly basis. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably the best way to make money as a blogger. This can be done by including links in your post to other business product or services offered through affiliate programs. For everybody that clicks on the links to purchase the product or service is going to earn you a commission. How much can you make through affiliate marketing? It's possible to earn from $120,000 on a monthly basis. To be successful in affiliate marketing through your blog, it will be a good idea if 1. You promote products relevant to your blog niche. 2. Promote product you've tested yourself and can easily recommend. 3. You include a disclaimer on your site that you are promoting products and services so as to not mislead your readers. 3. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is another way to monetize your blog, and of course, bloggers are making serious money from this. Companies all over the world are looking for writers that can write an article about their company and promote their product. They are willing to pay a reasonable amount of money for this. To make money from freelance writing, you can simply add a Hire Me page awareness on your blog, but make sure you make it attractive with a good profile. There are other ways to make money as a freelance writer other than your blog. There are many freelance writers network you can join and make money from them. 4. Sponsored post. A sponsored post is also a good way to monetize your blog in Nigeria. There are companies willing to pay you to sponsor posts for them on your blog once they know your blog is generating reasonable traffic. To have an effective sponsored post on your blog, the post must be something related to your blog, or falls within your niche, and it will be wise for you to let your readers know it's a sponsored post. 5. Product reviews. Lastly, you can also choose to write a product review on a product that is related to your blog niche. However, how you choose to do this depends on you. But it's always good to know the product you are writing a review about. Most importantly, write all the pros and cons of the product. Doing this let your audience trust you. There are various affiliate networks you can join to do this. Visit Amazon and look through their products. Once you've found a product you feel good about, write a genuine review about the product and add a link to the product in your review. On every sale made through your review will get you a cut from the cost of the product. Finally, like I said, don't see your blog as a get-rich-quick scheme but as a business that you are willing to nurture and grow. Don't even think of making money for the first 6 months. Just focus on building your brand and reputation. If at all you make some few bucks in the first 6 months, think of it as a bonus. But let your focus be on building your brand. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.